Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag Artisan Journal Prompts 2024, hosted by My Life with Patti. Look how thick this is getting. I only got this many and I'll have to start a new book. So this week's prompt, and it is week, oh I forgot to put the last one. Let's see, 20. And it was food labels and stuff like that. So here it goes. So I collected some food labels and I kind of made a house and a tree and just kind of cut the food labels up and just got them scattered around. I put these little cute stickers on of the cats because why not? Well, I even got a mouse up in the attic. But I got this tree, and it's Campbell's soup labels, Hershey candy bar, Rice Krispie. Down here is also Kit Kat, and some border off this cream pie thing Scott brought me as a treat. Got a hydrant, and there is my week 20 food labels. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good weekend. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.